Oof. Today is a good day. It's been over 20 days in quarantine. I don't even remember what day of the week it is, but this finally arrived. Aputure's new 300x LED light is finally shipping and it is in this box. Yep. Ooh. I don't have an overhead camera, so this is what it looks like from the top. 300x. Ooh, that looks cool. Let me try and not have everything spill out. Yep. Okay, let's go through this one by one. Where do I start? Okay, this is that little head reflector dome thing that goes in front of the light. Power cables. I think this goes onto your light stand to put the power supply on. More cables. Ooh, the power supply is chunky. Yep, there it is, 300x. And the actual light itself, ooh, it's much heavier than I expected. You've got to love that carbon fiber looking finish over here. Love the handbrake yoke. So yeah, that's actually pretty much it in terms of the unboxing experience. This is solely an unboxing. I'm not going to review the light 5 seconds after I've just opened the box, but it would be a sin to not strike this light right away. So let's pop this baby on the light stand and I just want to see it come on. In you go. Let's get the front cover off. Stick this in. Not quite sure how this goes in there. I'm just gonna try and push it in. Yeah, I think there's a... Just clicked in. Okay, that was much easier than I expected. Sploosh. Ooh, this is really long. How long is this? Ooh, that was a satisfying click. Get some power. Whoa, okay. That just turned itself on. Let's turn you off for a moment. Okay, so here technically is the first time I'm powering it on by pressing this little X button here. Hey! Okay, so this is at 50% brightness. I'm being lit by an Aputure 120T off to this side over here, but I think this is way brighter than that. This is 1%. Turn it up, 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 and up to 100%. That is mighty bright. And because it's bicolor, we can actually turn this tungsten. Awesome. Oh, I completely forgot. Aputure stickers and a remote control unit. Okay, so that's about as much fun as we're gonna have with this light for now. So stay tuned for the full review. Not sure if I'm even gonna post this unboxing, but hey, if you're watching this on YouTube, congratulations for this unboxing video for making it. So yeah, that's it for today. Stay tuned for the full review and I'll catch you in the next one.